In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the count, countif and countifs formulas in Smartsheet to quickly analyze and count data based on different conditions. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to perform your calculations. Let's start with the count formula. This formula counts the number of cells that contain values within a selected range. Click the cell where you want the result to appear and enter the count formula using the column or range you want to count. After pressing enter, Smartsheet will display the total number of populated cells in that range. Next, let's look at COUNTIF. COUNTIF allows you to count only the rows that match a specific condition. For example, you can count how many tasks are assigned to a particular team member, how many items have a status of complete, or how many projects are marked high priority. Enter the COUNTIF formula, select the range to evaluate, and specify the condition you want to count. Smartsheet will return the total number of rows that match that single criterion. Now let's move on to COUNTIFs. COUNTIFs works similarly to COUNTIF, but it allows you to apply multiple conditions at the same time. For example, you can count tasks that are both high priority and complete, or projects assigned to a specific person that are currently in progress. Enter the COUNTIFs formula and define each range along with its corresponding condition. Smartsheet will count only the rows that meet all specified criteria. After creating your formulas, review the results and verify that the counts match your data. These formulas are extremely useful for dashboards, reports, project tracking, workload management, and performance analysis. Using count, countif, and countifs can save time, reduce manual calculations, and help you gain quick insights from your Smartsheet data. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use count, countif, and countifs formulas in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.